Let's explore the top sights to see in Cabo San Lucas. Cabo is located 1,000 miles south of Los Angeles, on the southern tip of the Baja Peninsula. It's a popular cruise port, but cruise ships don't dock here. It's a tender port. The most popular attraction is the Arch. This natural granite rock formation is at Land's End, where the Pacific Ocean meets the Sea of Cortez. The tender boats bring you to the marina, where you'll meet up for excursions, or you can explore on your own. They have shops, restaurants, and pharmacies. If you want to get close to the Arch, there are glass-bottom boats, water taxis, and sunset cruise options. Some will even take you to Lover's Beach on the calm side and Divorce Beach on the rough Pacific side, where it's not safe to swim. There are also charter fishing boats and whale watching tours. A great place for tacos is a few blocks inland at Los Claros. They have tasty fish tacos and cervezas here. We took a whale watching excursion through Princess Cruise Line on a catamaran that included drinks and snacks. The best time to see whales is mid-December through mid-April. This is when humpbacks and grays migrate south to mate and give birth in the warm Baja waters. We went in late December and got to see humpbacks with babies feeding and breaching. They swam right under our boat. We got to see them really close. It was amazing. The cruise line excursions in Mexico are pretty reasonably priced, much better than Alaska or Europe. I definitely recommend whale watching if you're visiting December through April. Enjoy your trip to Cabo. Thanks for watching Taste for Travel. Please subscribe to see all our latest travel tours, tips, and reviews. Cheers!